News 4 has obtained body camera and other video evidence in the December 23rd crash that ultimately claimed the life of D.C. police officer Terry Bennett. The video was shown in court on February 9th during a preliminary hearing for Jerrold Coates.
Coates is charged in Bennett's death with second-degree murder while armed. Officer Bennett was assisting a disabled motorist on the southeast-southwest freeway when police tell us he was hit by Coates, who was speeding and under the influence of alcohol.
News 4's Paul Wagner obtained the video after appealing to the chief judge of the Superior Court. Paul joins us now live in the newsroom with the story. Paul?
Well, Jim, and on the video you're about to see shows the initial police response, Jerrold Coates being questioned on the scene, as well as surveillance video and dash cam video, allegedly showing Coates speeding up a ramp before crashing into Officer Bennett. We want to warn you, the video may be disturbing to some.
Do we have the border route? We got I know.
This is body camera video from one of the first officers arriving on the scene.
We have another person down as well.
Officer Terry Bennett is on the ground unconscious. Seeing his dire condition, other officers picked him up and rushed him to the Washington Hospital Center. On the ground nearby is Jerrold Coates, who is eventually handcuffed and surrounded by U.S. Capitol Police officers who responded to the scene.
You were in a real bad accident.
Accident?
Yes.
Oh, what happened?
I just told you.
What happened?
You were in a traffic accident. You have any idea where you are?
Coates was then taken to the hospital, where a toxicology report says he had a blood alcohol content of 0.16, or twice the legal limit. The same report detected the presence of marijuana in his system as well. During the investigation, police discovered video from a building's surveillance camera, which investigators say shows Coates driving at a high rate of speed and weaving in and out of traffic on a ramp onto the freeway. A driver's dash camera then shows what police say is Coates speeding onto the highway just before the crash. Court documents filed in the case say after the collision, Officer Bennett was thrown approximately 22 feet. The 8-year veteran of the force died on January 7th, 15 days after the crash.
You okay speaking in there? It's up to you.
That's Jerrold Coates in the wheelchair on January 9th after his arrest. He agreed to be interviewed by police inside a jail cell. After waiving his rights, Coates was asked a series of questions about the hand controls he uses to operate his car and what he remembers about the collision. Coates said a car cut him off just before the crash.
That's all I remember. Swerving and then that's all I remember. Until the police came and was telling me whatever they were telling me. I didn't see no lights, I didn't see no flares, I didn't see no nets, I didn't see no people, I didn't see none of that.
Video shown in court shows there were flares in the road where Officer Bennett was assisting the motorist. Coates told the police he had been drinking before the crash but did not think he was impaired.
Do you think the alcohol may have impaired you?
I don't know. I mean, alcohol do what it do. I wasn't drunk enough to be drunk. Like, I didn't know what was going on, and I hit an officer.
After the hearing, Jerrold Coates was ordered held without bond. At his funeral, Officer Bennett was remembered as a husband, father, son, and hero, a native Washingtonian who gave his life in the line of duty.
Paul, this is the first time we're seeing much of that evidence. Can you talk about what you had to go through to get it?
Sure, Jim. It's News 4's position that if it's played in open court in a court of law, especially in Washington, D.C., it's a public record. And we've had mixed results with that in the past. So this time I was determined to get an answer. So I first went to the court. The court said, go back to the U.S. Attorney's office. Then I was told, no, go to the presiding judge. So I went to the presiding judge. I didn't get an answer for several days. And then the presiding judge said, well, you need to go to the spokesperson in the court. That then went back to the presiding judge. And then the presiding judge said, no, all right, let's let it go to the chief judge, Milton Lee. And Chief Judge Milton Lee, within 24 hours, gave me an answer and said I had a right to see the video. So the U.S. Attorney's Office turned it over to us last night, and you're seeing it here tonight for the first time. Now, we're hoping this is some kind of settled law so that when we want to see these things in future cases, we'll be able to get them.
Absolutely, and it's important work, and we appreciate that what you did to get that video and bring us that story, Paul. Thanks so much.
Sure. Thank you, Paul.